Hi everyone, welcome back again to See Me Your Art. In the next series of videos, we're going to be talking about the applications that I think every YouTuber should be using. And these are mobile applications, and the ones that we're going to be talking about are both on Android and iOS. In this video, we're going to be talking about the YouTube Studio application. It looks like this. This is the updated version if you're on Android. And it looks similar if you're using iOS. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what it has to offer. I think this is the application that every YouTuber should be using. Every YouTuber deserves to have this application because in it, on the bottom right here, you have all the goodies and a whole lot of things that you can use this application for. As you can see, I've not been very active on YouTube. My last video was 8 months ago. But in this application, you get everything that you need to accomplish a very successful YouTube channel. For example, we're going to go ahead and go through what it has to offer here in the bottom. And you start with the dashboard is where you have everything. This one gives you a little bit of your content. You can see here, which are the videos that you've published. Both the longer videos and the short videos will be shown over there. In the next section, they show you the comments, especially the most recent comments. And in the upper section here, they show you your analytics. But for now, we're going to go ahead and see what every single section on the bottom here shows. So after the dashboard, where they flash you a little bit of everything in your channel, you have the content. In the content, it shows you just the videos that you keep uploading, both short videos and long videos. Next, you have the analytics, which is very important. In here, it shows you how your channel is doing from the overview, where they show you a little bit of everything. For example, the watch time, and they also show you what videos are working the best, your top videos. They also show you up here a couple of things. For example, the views that your channel is getting in the last couple of, I think it's 28 days. They show you the watch time that you've accumulated in the same time. They show you how many subscribers you're getting and money if you have the monetization. Now, on there still in the analytics, they show you your reach, who you're reaching and where your traffic is coming from. They show you the engagement. They show you your audience and the revenue. Now, this application is very, very intuitive that it shows you everything that you need to accomplish on your YouTube channel. All right, we're going to go ahead and go back to the comments. The next one here in the comments, it shows you the recent comments. And what is so cool about this, that you can go ahead and interact with your audience in real time. For example, you can like the comments and you can also reply to them. Thank you so much. You can also reply to them in real time without opening the YouTube application. And what is so cool is that they show you the channel from which the comment is coming from, the comment itself, and the video to which the comment is replying, showing you both the thumbnail of the video and the title of the video, which I think is really, really, really cool. All right, so from the comment section below, you can also go to the playlist, and it shows you the playlists that you have. And here it shows you if you have them as public playlists or if you have them as personal playlists that you don't want any other people to see. And in here too, you can also go ahead and see how many videos you have on that playlist and how many views a playlist is bringing in, which is really, really cool, a feature. Now, YouTube always updates this application, but it doesn't matter. For me, I think even if you're just using your phone to run your YouTube channel, or if you have a camera crew that follows you around, or if you have, pro productions and everything, you really need this application. And for now, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video right here, and I'll be back again with the next application that you need to run your YouTube channel. All applications that I believe every YouTuber should be having. This was the first of them, and I'm gonna be back again with the 4 others. So in this series, we're going to cover 5 different applications that I believe every YouTuber should have. And for me, this is number 1. And it's free. Everything in it is free. It's created by YouTube itself. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in the next video.